Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be diving into the battle between two leading mobile wallets, Google Wallet and Samsung Wallet. I will explore key features and how they stack up against each other. First, let's take a look at Google Wallet. This app is all about simplifying your life, offering a way to store your payment methods, loyalty cards, and even digital passes all in one place. You can also add debit and credit card here. And the cool part is that you can update, reorder, or even nickname them for quick access. Plus, the latest AI feature helps generate digital passes from photos, perfect for things like IDs or tickets. Now let's jump over to Samsung Wallet. Samsung also offers seamless experience for storing payment cards, IDs, and digital keys. Samsung Wallet does a lot of similar things but also adds some unique features like the ability to store your digital home key with UWB technology. You can unlock your smart door just by approaching it with your phone. Another standard feature is its integration with smart locks. This means if you have a compatible lock, you can unlock your doors hands-free simply by holding your phone close. This is available for Galaxy device users. Now, Google Wallet also has strong security features with encryption and biometric access. It's all about keeping your payment information safe, whether you are paying in store or online. And with Google Wallet, yeah, every transaction is encrypted, and biometric authentication ensures your data stays safe. You can even manage your payment methods with just a few taps. Now, Samsung Wallet similarly puts a huge focus on security with biometric login and encryption. It's also designed to protect your sensitive information. So, how do they compare? So, Google Wallet shines with its AI generated passes and overall simplicity. Samsung Wallet stands out with its integration of smart home features like digital keys for your door, something Google Wallet doesn't currently offer. Both are secure, easy to use, and packed with useful features. It really comes down to your personal preference, whether you value seamless payment or passes with Google Wallet or want the added smart home integration with Samsung Wallet. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.